in your short is a helicopter bringing in 14 members of the Western Togoland group who are part of today's disturbances. Now, this group will be joining 16 others who actually arrived from the Volta region. Now, this morning we all woke up to a disturbance by this particular group, blocking entry points to the Volta region. Now, very soon the helicopter will be landing and these men will be disembarking. Now, they will form part of 30 men who have been apprehended and brought in from the Volta region. Now, you can see the Ghana Air Force helicopter in the background. In that particular aircraft, you have 14 individuals who essentially were, part of today's disturbance. Now, they have been brought to the Air Force base in Accra at the Burma camp, essentially to be interrogated as investigations begin into today's disturbances by the Homeland Study Group, also known as Western Togoland. Moving closer, some security personnel are also approaching the aircraft. So in your shot, you see one of the military police personnel taking handcuffs that will be used in restraining the 14 gentlemen who have been brought in from the Volta region to the Air Force base right here at Burma camp in Accra. About 11 or so military police personnel standing guard. Here's the first person just disembarked, second person disembarking. Now, mind you, these individuals are suspects that have been picked up as part of today's disturbances in some parts of the Volta region. So far, we have just spotted the first lady as part of the group. So far, we've only seen a lot of men. The lady is shedding some tears, obviously distraught. Their details are about to be taken. Just to do another count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of them. They would add on to the 16 who were originally, who came earlier from the Volta region, who were transported earlier from the Volta region. And that would bring the number to 31 individuals. Mind you, one person has lost their life as part of this case this morning, disturbance that the country woke up to. Now, the gentleman in your shot who is holding the small miniature version of the Western Togoland flag was allegedly arrested whilst they were going to hoist a flag of the group, as part of this morning's commotion. The two vehicles that will be transporting the suspected members of the Western Togoland group. Now, the 15 that just arrived are being mashed and transported into the vehicle that is standing by. The blue truck next to the military colored truck is holding the first 16 that arrived from the Volta region. The only lady as part of the group is about to, she gets lifted onto the truck in tears. The Citi newsroom attempted to get an interview, but we were turned down. However, moments afterwards, a press release was issued by the joint military and police forces, and in response to these unlawful acts, a joint military police team in conjunction with other security agencies deployed to the affected areas and succeeded in apprehending 31 members of the group. Fire exchanges between the group and the security agencies led to the death of one member of the Homeland Study Group Foundation and injury to 3 others. The police commander at Aveime was also wounded and has been evacuated to the police hospital. The wounded Homeland Study Group Foundation members have also been evacuated to the Whole Teaching Hospital. Now, the 31 arrested suspected members of the Western Togoland group have been moved from the Air Force base here at Burma camp to the BNI headquarters. The youngest amongst them being 17 years and the oldest being over 60 years. At this point, we take a breather and cross over to my colleague Zoe Abubedu, who has been interacting with our security correspondent Anas Seidu to get a background to all of this.